Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a gummy bear, a red one, a red gummy bear. This is Gummy Bear Week, so we're going to go through that. I'm going to be doing it. It's easy, really easy. If you're a beginner, you're a total beginner, you can do this. Grab a marker, any marker, Sharpie, doesn't matter. Open the window because markers smell pretty bad. They're also bad for your brain apparently if you inhale them over a course of time, so like don't have it in your face. Let's get going on the gummy bear. So let's get started. It's gonna be a little bit different than the last two designs. I want to change it up. I don't want to just change purely the color. So this one I'm gonna make it with a big head. So one side of the head is kind of like parentheses signs. An ear, another ear. The eyes, closed eyes. Straight down right here. Triangle for the nose and the mouth here. I'm gonna draw a circle. Go down here. Another circle. The feet, because they're sticking out forward, and straight line from the bottom of the gummy bear. Move the eyes here. More of the eyes. And that's pretty much it. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go into the color. See how simple that was? Really simplistic. I'm going to go here. I'm going to use a Scholastic colored pencil, a red one. And I'm more or less just going to go down pretty flat. It's not going to be anything fancy with the colors. But the coloring should be relatively easy. I would wait a tiny bit until the ink dries on the marker, because you might actually move the marker a little bit around depending on, what it is. And that's pretty much it. It's very solid. It's just solid color. It should be easy enough, but thank you so much for participating in Gummy Bear Week. If you guys want anything else, you can request stuff in the comment section below. Don't forget, sharing is caring. Share the video, and that helps me out immensely. And like the video if you do like gummy bears, you like drawing, and hopefully you followed along very well. I'm gonna leave you with one question because I've been doing questions on Gummy Bear Week. What is your favorite food? Just your favorite food in general. For me personally, love pizza. Pizza's my favorite food. But what is your favorite food? Do you guys have one? Do you don't? Let me know. I'm very curious. And also don't forget that you get a free sticker when you join my Patreon. Patreon is basically a way to get closer to the artists that you follow, and it is a way to get advice and see artwork that your favorite artists do, so that you can get closer to them and you can learn more from them. They kind of have a lot of secret art, and that's what I have personally. I post it there for anybody that pays $2. And like I said, you get a free sticker when you post that $2. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Tell me your favorite food.